Fickle.
Fickle mean wavering, unreliable, unsteady, volatile.
Opposite meanings are resolute, determined, inalterable, invariable.
Feud.
Feud mean strife, quarrel, row, contention.
Opposite meanings are fraternity, harmony, reconciliation, recompose.
Ferocious.
Ferocious mean untamed, barbarous, fierce, dangerous.
Opposite meanings are gentle, innocent, benevolent, sympathetic.
Feeble.
Feeble mean weak, frail, impotent, defenseless.
Opposite meanings are strong, robust, vigorous, resolute.
Fatigue.
Fatigue mean weariness, exhaustion, exertion, tiredness.
Opposite meanings are vigor, liveliness, vivacity, briskness.
Fantasy.
Fantasy mean imagination, vision, image, visualization.
Opposite meanings are reality, substantiality, actuality, existence.
Fantastic.
Fantastic mean fanciful, uncommon, imaginary, marvelous.
Opposite meanings are ordinary, normal, customary, common.
Fanatical.
Fanatical mean narrow-minded, stubborn, orthodox, biased.
Opposite meanings are liberal, tolerant, unprejudiced, generous.
Falter.
Falter mean fluctuate, demur, dither, waver.
Opposite meanings are persist, endure, stable, unerring.
Fallacy.
Fallacy mean delusion, mistake, deception, illusion.
Opposite meanings are veracity, truth, honesty, certainty.
Facsimile.
Facsimile mean miniature, reproduction, copy, replica.
Opposite meanings are distinction, dissimilarity, novelty, originality.
Fabulous.
Fabulous mean legendary, amazing, remarkable, marvelous.
Opposite meanings are historical, common, mediocre, substantial.
Facile.
Facile mean dexterous, quick, skillful, effortless.
Opposite meanings are clumsy, slow, laborious, arduous.
Guile.
Guile mean cunning, deceit, duplicity, chicanery.
Opposite meanings are honesty, frankness, sincerity, integrity.
Grudge.
Grudge mean hatred, aversion, unwilling, objection.
Opposite meanings are benevolence, affection, goodwill, kindness.
Grisly.
Grisly mean disgusting, atrocious, monstrous, loathsome.
Opposite meanings are pleasing, attractive, beautiful, alluring.
Gracious.
Gracious mean courteous, beneficent, magnificent, dignified.
Opposite meanings are rude, unforgiving, discourteous, uncourtly.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous mean magnificent, dazzling, brilliant, grand.
Opposite meanings are dull, unpretentious, modest, plain.
Gult.
Gult mean stuff, satiate, overflow, cram.
Opposite meanings are reduce, abstain, moderate, restrain.
Gloom.
Gloom mean obscurity, darkness, dejection, disillusion.
Opposite meanings are delight, mirth, exhilaration, joviality.